Welcome to this video tutorial on the Hierarchy View feature in Visplan. The Hierarchy View feature is designed to optimize your planning experience within Visplan. It's accessible through Visplan's personal app in Microsoft Teams and can be pinned to your left sidebar for easy access. This view allows you to effortlessly create and visualize hierarchies of the plans you have access to. It provides a clear visual representation of your plan's organizational structure and offers valuable insights into their interconnectedness. It also displays any data links between Visplan. If you've utilized data links, these connections are visually highlighted by dotted lines. Note, details on creating data links are beyond the scope of this video, but in short, data links are used to inherit or sync data between Visplan plans and other systems such as Microsoft Planner, Azure DevOps, and Microsoft Project. Now, let's learn how to access and pin the personal app in Teams to get started with Hierarchy View. Go to the Apps on the left side of Teams, then search or browse for Visplan. Click the card for Visplan. In the card, click the down arrow and select Add for Me. The app is now added to Teams' left sidebar, but it will only stay there temporarily. To make it stay permanently, right-click the app icon and select Pin It. To open a plan, click the thumbnail. Click the Visplan icon to access the Hierarchy View again. Please grant any permission requests you receive. If you are not allowed to grant permissions or add apps, please contact your local Microsoft 365 administrator. Now, let's create a connection within the Hierarchy View. First, enter Edit mode by clicking the Edit button in the top right corner. Simply hover over the superior plan and drag the connector to the subordinate plan. You always have to create the connections from the top down. To remove a connection, select the connector and press the Delete key on your keyboard. Remember to click Done Editing when finished. Customize your view for optimal organization. You can sort plans by recently opened, recently modified, or by name. Use the filter feature to focus on specific plans by name, teams, or channel names. This filter setting will persist until you choose to reset it. To streamline your experience, we've introduced a simplified version of the plan hierarchy within each connected plan. If your hierarchy is extensive, this view displays a condensed version, showing the direct superior plan, any peer plans, and one level of your plan's subordinate plans. The Personal app also offers a traditional card view as an alternative to the Hierarchy View. You can easily switch between the card view and Hierarchy View in the top left corner. In the card view, you can sort plans by name, recently opened, or recently modified, making it easy to find the plan you need. Additionally, you can apply filters to pinpoint specific plans. The card view also provides essential details, such as when the plan was last modified and who has accessed it, keeping you up to date. To further streamline your workflow, you have the option to pin your favorite plans to the top, ensuring quick access to your preferred plans. This concludes the guide. Thank you for watching.